In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text box color in Google Slides. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add a pop of color to your presentations, making them more visually engaging and tailored to your theme. So let's get started with the first step. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, you can reach it by simply typing Google Slides into your browser's search bar or by going directly to the Google Docs URL. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is essential because it allows you access to create and edit your slides. After signing in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can see all your recent presentations and create new ones. Here, you will have the choice to either start from scratch or use a template. For beginners, templates can be a great way to expedite the design process and give you some inspiration for colors and layouts. However, for today's tutorial, we'll be starting with a blank presentation. Go ahead and click on blank presentation or choose a template that catches your eye. Once your presentation opens up, you'll see a variety of slide options on your screen. Now, the crucial part of our task is to focus on selecting the text box whose color you want to change. Click on any pre-existing text box in your slide. If you haven't added one yet, simply click the text box tool at the top of the screen and drag your cursor to create a text box. Once you have selected a text box, it's time to jump to the fun part, changing the color. Look towards the top bar again, and you'll see an icon that looks like a little paint bucket. This is your fill color tool. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing an array of colors. You can select from standard colors, explore more shades, or even add custom colors if you want something extra specific to match your brand. Clicking on any color will immediately fill the text box with the new shade. It's permanent unless you decide to change it again, so feel free to experiment here until you find the color that best suits your slide. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the color of your text box in Google Slides. This simple yet impactful skill can greatly enhance the aesthetics of your presentations, making them more engaging and dynamic for your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with these tools, the more proficient you'll become. Happy presenting!